Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are feeling great. Well, today we are going to look at how you can calculate median and mode of the group data. As discussed earlier, group data is always in table form. So today we are going to look at how you can find median and mode of group data. So this right here is a question. Let me just go ahead and read what the chart says. The data here is age and obviously the frequency is f. So the chart says there are three boys of 11 years, there are five boys for 12, and so the list goes on. So how do you take out median of this? Well, the formula is written down. Formula is median position is equivalent to n plus 1 divided by 2. Now just to give you guys some clarity, what is n? N is summation f, that is the total frequency. So you'll be needing the total of this. So let's just go ahead and add all the frequencies together. So the total frequency, that is summation f, is equivalent to 70. So now putting it into formula, that is 17 plus 1, as the formula says, plus 1. So this is your total frequency, that is 17, and adding 1 into it, 0.2. This is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the median position is 9. Now one thing, let me bring it to your attention that in the following question we need to find out the median, but as you can see the formula gives you the median position. That means the median lies at 9th position. The median is not 9, but the median lies on the 9th position. So you need to go at the 9th position, and from there you need to see what is your median. So let me just go ahead and show you how you can reach position number 9. So you see up till here you got three frequencies, that is you have got up to 3 positions here. Now when you move from this to here, from 3 and 5, now you've got 8 positions over here. So still you have reached only 8 positions. So if you go ahead further from position 5 to 2, that is 3 and 5 gives you 8, 8 and gives you 10. So that means your 9th position lies over here. 3 positions here, another 5, that means 8 position in this interval, and another 2, that means 10. So you can see 9th position will lie over here. So what is the median in the 9th position? Obviously it is 13. So your median is 13. And don't forget the age, because in this particular question the data is of age. So this is your answer. Median is equivalent to 13 years. Now one thing you need to keep in mind is that this question deals with this question. If you see n here is 17, which is an odd frequency. So odd questions, the questions in which the frequency or the n is 17, are fairly easy to solve. The next question I am going to solve for you guys would be an even one, so you guys can know that the even ones are a little more difficult to solve. I hope you got the concept. Moving on to the next question. So here, this is again your data, and you need to find out the mean and the mod. So earlier we had to find out the mod as well. So let me just go ahead and solve the mod as well. Mod, as discussed earlier, is the most frequent value. So this is very easy to calculate. Among all the ages, which one is the most frequent one? So you see, there are 5 boys age 12. The most frequent age is 12. So obviously your mod is 12. So mod is equal to 12 years. Alright, moving on to the next question that deals with even number of frequencies. So first of all, you need n, that is the total frequency. So let me just go ahead, add all of these. Or you could see it in the question, the dice is rolled 50 times, so that obviously would add up to 50. So the frequency here is, total frequency here is 50. Now again, this is median position, don't forget the position. So the median position would be 50 plus 1 upon 2, that is 51 divided by 2. That would give you, the answer would go 25.5. Now notice that I have written it down subscript th over here because this specific thing implies a position, which says this is the 25th position. Now when there is even frequency, just like we have here 50, after you put it into the formula, it becomes 50 plus 1 divided by 2. So in case of even frequencies, you would always get a position that is in decimal form. Now a position in decimal form would mean that the 25.5th position would lie between the 25th position and the 26th position. So it would be around in between 25th and the 26th one. So how do you calculate the 25th position? Well, first of all, you need to go to 25th position, then you need to go to the 26th position, then take the average of both. It would be the 25th position. Let me just go ahead and show you. So again, where does your 25th position lie? Here are your, this sector is covering 8 positions, and other 11 would mean that these two sectors are covering 19 positions. Still more to go. Another 5 would mean that up till here these sections cover the 24th position, but we required the 25th one. So you see the 25th, and if you see 24 and again 9 would give you, this point would give you all the way up to 33rd position. So you guys see that 25th and 26th position both would lie in this sector, and the score at this sector is 4th, and the score for this sector is 4th. So your frequency, your median here is and again these are the scores, so median would be 4 score. So moving on, solving for the mod. The mod is the most repeated value or the most frequent value. As you can see, the dice when rolled, 2 came out the most, that is 11 times. So mod is simply is equivalent to 2. So next up is a practice question. You guys can pause the video and copy it down in your journals. So I want you guys to give this question a try. Then obviously this is followed. This is not a book question, that's why I have made a separate layout for this. Then after this you can follow some book questions. So that would be your homework. Thank you.